keep on asking this question. I'll call you for Rustam also when it's releasing. If it becomes a hit, then you please come and ask the producer for making the part 2 also. क्या मन कर रहा है? अगर वो तीनों लौट आए तो फिर अच्छा है. It all depends on them when they'll come back.
There's no need for heroine. ये 3 heroes and Chunky Boman are काफी.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. We all need heroines. We all need heroines. ऐसा means it's basically a teamwork. We need directors, we need writers, we need heroines. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So we all need each other. And because if you see a part 3 also, it is because of the heroines. We are in love with them later on, and that is why the whole script gets complete. So I wouldn't say that it's not because of the heroine.
अच्छा चंकी इतना बड़ा स्टार है तो यू आर वेरी चूजी. 5 स्टार जैसा चूजी हो जाते हो क्योंकि ओनली साजिद के फिल्म में तुम नजर आते हो हाउसफुल में.
आई एम नॉट चूजी, मुझे काम मिलता ही नहीं है. Mamma mia, I'm joking. Problem is I charge too much money. Only Sajid Bhai can afford me.
And Akshay, एक सवाल. How do you manage to strike a balance between doing serious films like Airlift, Baby, and at the same time making people laugh with Houseful 3?
Nothing. I like the scripts and I just go ahead with it. And I don't think it's anybody can do it. If I can do it, and you remember it, when I came in the industry, I was called a furniture when I used to act. So if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Hi Akshay, over here, straight. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
My question, Airlift did 100 crores at the box office. Now Houseful 3 is on the verge of doing 100 crores. So are we expecting a hat trick of 100 crore as well with Rustam?
I have no idea, darling. I hope so. And because we made a good film, Rustam also, and I hope people like it. So keeping the kind of product we have made, I think so it should. I hope so.
Akshay sir.
Yeah.
Like sir, I've been following your movies for the past 2-3 years very closely. You have chosen films like Baby, Airlift, Gabbar is Back, all very strong storyline movies. And now you have chosen Houseful 3 sir, and your next is Rustam. And the first look is also very good. So sir, how do you choose your scripts and how do you strike a balance between...
Don't you think so? That's the same question. It's the same question, sir.
My focus is on script choosing.
Yeah, I obviously, I'll answer it again, no problem. But I choose the script, I like the script, and then that's why I go ahead with it. I don't believe that I should keep myself in only one space. I can do a lot of things, and whether it's comedy, or whether it's black humor, or whether it's drama, thriller, action. So I just need to keep on reinventing myself, and that's the way an actor can live and increase his shelf life, and that's it.
Abhishek and Ritesh, Akshay Kumar. The ones that we saw going up on
very much.
So why didn't we see anything, following the success of the film? Like I was really looking forward to any video coming from the three of them.
Akshay is very busy in Chennai right now. So we are thinking of flying to Chennai with him. We'll drop him, we'll make some videos, upload them and then come back again tonight,
Abhishek, you want to add something to that? You don't want to go to Chennai?
I've just come back from Chennai. I was in Chennai for the last 2 days and he was very busy. He was shooting just outside Chennai. I was in Chennai for my Kabaddi team. Ritesh is giving birth to a whole Kabaddi team, I think. So first and foremost, many congratulations to Ritesh on the arrival of the latest Deshmukh. God bless. And many congratulations to Eros, to Nadia for a success. And we'd like to welcome Baman back, who went on holiday and came back while we were promoting the film. And especially to Sajid Farhad for their hard work, dedication. And they're very good human beings, so they really reaffirm the fact that good things happen to good people. So well done. And so I've just come back in the afternoon from Chennai. He's just landed from Chennai. He's going back to Chennai. Ritesh is going back home, so we have to now find a time where we can do some more monkey dance and all that, and make some more videos just for you.
Thank you.
डायरेक्टर लोगों को पसंद आ रही है, तो ये आप लोगों ने डेलिबरेटली किया, जानबूझकर किया?
बेसिकली हम लोग 10 साल से जो राइटिंग भी करते आ रहे हैं, तो वो एक टाइप का फैमिली ऑडियंस को नज़र रखते हुए हमने हमेशा स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी है, चाहे वो रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्में हो तो इट्स टारगेटेड टू फैमिली ऑडियंस। तो एक तरह का ऐसा कुछ एकदम कोई डिसीजन एकदम सोच के रात को बैठ के हॉल में बैठ के ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है। इट्स जस्ट के हम लोग की राइटिंग में वो आ ही जाता है कि फैमिली देखे, बच्चा देखे, बहन देखे, भाई देखे, तो
बहन भाई C1, C2 और C3 में बैठे, ऐसा नहीं बहन जाके F1 में बैठे और भाई C1 में, तो जॉइंट होंगे, साथ में तालियां पड़ेंगी, साथ में पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन होंगे, तो उसके लिए
और फैमिली जितनी बड़ी है उतना ही फायदा हीरोस और नाडिया सर को है।
और वैसे भी आप लोग जानते हैं सेंसर इतना स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया आजकल।
अक्षय, मेरा सवाल सेंसर बोर्ड, अक्षय अक्षय, अभिषेक, रितेश, सभी से सवाल है कि सेंसर बोर्ड की बात की अक्षय ने, हर कोई आज उड़ता पंजाब की बात कर रहा है, विवाद हुआ है उस पर, पूरी इंडस्ट्री खड़ी हुई है, कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी हुई, सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि इस तरह से कट्स नहीं दिए जाने चाहिए अगर ये सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, तो आप लोगों की राय क्या है?
सर हम लोग भी खड़े ही हैं।
जी मैं यही कहूँगा कि इसका जवाब चंकी पांडे साहब देंगे, क्योंकि इनको प्रहलाद जी ने फर्स्ट फिल्म इनकी थी। आगे इन्होंने बनाई थी।
हाँ जी, प्रहलाद जी मेरे गॉडफादर हैं, उन्होंने मुझे जन्म दिया इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में। आजकल बहुत लोग मुझे फोन करते हैं उनके बारे में, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम। उड़ता पंजाब का जो सवाल है, मैंने पिक्चर देखी नहीं है, लेकिन उड़ता तो तोते उड़ते हैं यार पंजाब कहाँ से उड़ता है, बट आई डोंट नो, मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता उनके बारे में, सो आई एम गोइंग बैक।
हाय साजिद सर, एक सेकंड, लेट हिम रिएक्ट। अक्षय, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
मैंने कहा ना आपको यही जवाब दे सकते हैं, कि हम तो नहीं दे सकते कि यही जवाब देंगे।
अभिषेक,
और मुझे इतना पता है कि बस आपको पता है रिलीज होने वाली है,
नेक्स्ट वीक रिलीज है, लेकिन शायद पोस्टपोन करनी पड़े फिर।
ठीक है भाई, भैया अगर आगे हो जाती है तो फिर हमारा फायदा है, जैसे कह रहे हैं।
हाँ, वो तो बहुत जी, मैंने प्रहलाद जी के साथ सेटिंग की है, पिक्चर लेट कर दी है।
Hi Sajid sir, here. I'm Sunil from Movie Talking. Sir, I would like to ask you, you have been producing film for quite a long time now, but as a banner, like you have not worked with freshers, and you have always worked with more. You have not worked with freshers.
Of course he has, Tiger Shroff.
Sir, but again stars, and I mean something like Pyar Ka Badnaam, where all sort of new three people are coming or something like that.
नहीं, मेरी पहली या दूसरी, सॉरी तीसरी फिल्म इनके साथ ही थी, मेरे साथ भी किया ना।
तो आप लोग
वक्त हमारा बहुत पुरानी
मूवी कर रहे थे
और फ्रेश थी आप।
The first movie launch, or maybe not a stars, or not something like that, and
मैं कौन सा बेटा?
I'm a fresher, he's worked with me.
You wanted entertainment, you hoped that entertainment did 100 crores, but sadly it didn't because of the bad release planning. It got squashed. But now that Houseful 3 is doing 100 crores, are you relieved?
More than relieved, I'm very happy. We are very happy. And everyone, you can see everyone is happy. And you guys also happy. So happiness तो आना ही।
वो एक कहावत है कि हुनर सब में होता है, किसी का छुप जाता है और किसी का छप जाता है। So it has happened.
और अभी फ्रेशर रिलीव हो गया थोड़ा, जो पहले था।
हाँ, इधर आने के पहले बाथरूम गया था।
साजिद फराद, आपसे एक सवाल है, डायरेक्टर से सवाल है यहाँ पे, ओ भैया। फर्स्ट फ्रेंचाइजी फिल्म है आप दोनों की ये, इसके पहले हमने एंटरटेनमेंट देखी है, सेकंड फिल्म है अक्षय कुमार के साथ। चांसेस है हैट्रिक के अक्षय कुमार के साथ, या फिर हाउसफुल 4 में एक बार आप दोनों फिर से नजर आए अक्षय कुमार के साथ?
ये क्वेश्चन अक्षय को पूछा
सर, लेकिन
हम तो रेडी है, अक्षय जी रेडी है तो हम करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
मुझे पूछना है क्या क्या सॉरी सुना नहीं।
सर मैंने पूछा तो उनको था, लेकिन आप भी जवाब दे सकते हैं।
हाँ जी बोलिए।
हाउसफुल 4 के चांसेस साजिद फराद के साथ, क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट हमने देखी, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द।
जी अभी देखिए, अभी ज्योति साहब ने बोला है हाउसफुल 4 के लिए, अब इसके ऊपर बैठेंगे, बातचीत होगी। अभी कमरे में जाके तो इतनी जल्दी तो हो नहीं सकता, इसको वक्त लगेगा। हाउसफुल 2 और हाउसफुल 3 के बीच में करीबन 4 साल का फ़र्क पड़ जाता है, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्टें बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगती है, क्योंकि एक आसान सी चीज़ नहीं है कि एक घर में सबके सब कैसे जमा जाता है, उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा कारण ढूंढना पड़ता है. सो इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी सब्जेक्ट टू बी ऑनेस्टली टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, इतनी आसानी से नहीं बन सकता. तो इट विल टेक अबाउट 1.5 year 2 years to make the script. अगर unless until we are lucky enough to get it.
Abhishek, first of all, congratulations to the entire team.
Thank you.
Abhishek, I just want to ask you, for you, critical acclaim जो है मूवी का, वो आपके लिए कितना important है, एक particular मूवी का?
It's very important. I think for any actor, any sort of acclaim is important. Be it critical or be it general or whatever it is. At the end of the day, critics are also audiences and their opinion matters to us. So we want everybody to enjoy our films.
Right. So Houseful 3 को जो critically एक review मिला है, so उससे आप are you okay? Are you happy with it?
No, I would like even better. I think it's important for actors to be hungry to improve on their work. We're very happy with the kind of response the media has given us, but obviously we would want even better. We want to work harder. We want to try and push ourselves to do better the next time round if you'll give us a chance.
हेलो, दिस इज रवि कुमार. सर, मेरा अक्षय सर आपसे सवाल है. सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि पूरे हाउसफुल सीरीज में आपकी फेवरेट को स्टार कौन रही, दीपिका, आसिम या जैकलिन?
ये जवाब आपका, मतलब सवाल आपका गलत है. बोलने में मुझे बहुत परेशानी होगी, क्योंकि मैंने सबके साथ बहुत बार काम कर चुका हूँ, तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट आंसर टू गिव. सबके साथ कुछ अलग अलग हादसे किस्से हुए हैं, हमने बहुत मस्ती की है फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान. सो इसका जवाब देना मेरे लिए ज़रा भारी पड़ जाएगा.
Akshay sir, first of all, congratulations for your. So, like, at your point, which role is the best you like to do it on the screen?
I like the most hardest, which is slapstick comedy. I think that is the most hardest genre to do, because slapstick एक situational comedy में क्या होती है कि आदमी के पास situation होते हैं हंसाने के लिए, तो आपको situation का एक support होता है कि आप लोगों को हंसा सकें. लेकिन एक slapstick comedy एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिसका पास कोई support नहीं होता. Physically आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है आपको लोगों को हंसाने के लिए. जैसे कि एक फिल्म के अंदर भी जो मेरा किरदार है, सुंडी का कैरेक्टर है, उसके अंदर he has to do so much physical things to make people laugh. So I think the most difficult one is the slapstick comedy, and I enjoy it. I just said. Sorry. Well, they both are one only, and they both. Sundi. Why would you like Sundi, sir? उल्टा कर लेना. अरे उल्टा करना, क्या हुआ? कुछ नया तो कर जिंदगी में. अरे shoot yourself, I'm asking you. बस शर्मा गए. That's okay. It's okay. No, I asked you a question. Answer it. Yeah. It's hilarious. Okay. You should have done that.
Hi, this is Kavi from the California Press.
We don't get much subsidy there, and plus it's permission की problem हो जाती है, and also dollar has gone up.
And Sethi, we don't have permission in the White House to shoot because Houseful will be in the White House, right? No? I'm a joking.
We have the last questions, please.
Hello, Ritesh sir. Sir, right?
Yes,
sir. Very congratulations, आपके घर में एक बार फिर से एक बेबी आया है. सर, हम आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे कि हाउसफुल 3 के सारे स्टार कास्ट आपके घर पर आए विश करने के लिए आपके वाइफ को या बेबी को.
ये आए कि नहीं पूछ रहे?
हाँ.
Of course आए. सब लोग हॉस्पिटल आए थे.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Abhishek, I have one last question for you. Yeah. Abhishek, we have all seen you in movies like Guru, Master, and those were loved by the audiences as well as the critics, and you were the lead in all those movies. So I just want to ask you कि हम आपको as a lead कोई upcoming आपकी movies में देखने मिलेंगे वापस आप हमें?
I hope so. If you have a nice script, I'll be more than happy to read it.
No, I'm just asking you, would we see you as a lead in any upcoming movies of yours?
I'd love that, yeah.
As a lead, like a solo actor.
As the only person in the film?
Yeah, as the male lead, yeah.
As the only person in the film, it will be a very boring film.
I'm saying male lead. It will be a selfie film.
Huh? Just take my camera.
Abhishek, I'm saying as a male lead.
As a male lead. Male. So I act like a female right now, or what? I'm not understanding your question.
Sir, like in Guru and Bluffmaster, you were the lead actor.
In Bluffmaster, I had a wonderful co-actor called Ritesh Deshmukh and Baman Irani. In Guru, I had wonderful co-actors like Mithun Da, Maddie, Aishwarya, and Vidya Balan. What are you trying to say?
No, I'm just trying to say, like, you were the lead actor in that movie, right? So
I don't think so. I don't look upon films like that, sir. You have to understand. My definition is slightly different. I believe anybody, no matter how big or small their role, is equally responsible for the film and in the success or the failure. I don't like to differentiate just based on the size of the role. If you look at the film that we're talking about right now, we're here for Houseful. It's a wonderful franchise. The most popular character of the Houseful franchise is Chunky, who shot for 3 days in the film. Aakhri Pasta has got the biggest recall in the Houseful franchise. So the size of the role shouldn't matter. I think I've understood where you're trying to go with this.
I'm not asking you in a negative way.
No. Why would I think in a negative way? Unless you are, I'm not. I just feel that every actor should be given the love and respect as his fellow actor. So I've never believed in this word of solo male lead. For me, a solo film is when you're doing it alone, just you're the only person in the film. Because I think I share the platform with all my actors and they're all wonderful. Having said that, I understand what you're trying to say, that am I going to be carrying on doing multi-stars? Is that what you're asking, like an ensemble piece? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, maybe, but I'm also asking, would we see you as a male lead also, apart from multi-star roles?
No, I've not understood your question.
I'm just asking you, would we see you, like for example, in Love
Lead actor in Guru. Mithun Da and Madhavan were male actors in that as well. I've not understood your question.
I think you have answered obviously.
This question is again about the censor board. I wanted to ask you, when it comes to the censor board, entertainment films get through easier than real life or movies that are influenced with the people and their problems. Why do you think it is so? If you could give me an answer. So, my question is to you, Sir Akshay.
Yeah, so I'm shifting the censor board question to him. Sir, तू ही तो बोल रहा था बेलाजी ने मेरे को ब्रेक दिया। मैं सब जानता हूँ के बारे में जाओ।
अच्छा मेरे को सेटर बना दिया। Setter.
Sorry, go ahead. What's your question?
So my question is, when it comes to entertainment films, it gets through easier with the censor board than with real life films, or when it is the problem.
Nothing like that. I made a film which was very entertaining called Desi Boys. It got an adult certificate. Eros knows about it very well. So it's nothing like that. Yes, to get stuck, that's it.
Thank you.
I auditioned for Sajid Farhad, but we all collectively felt that the person who had originally done it in the playback was far superior to me. So we preferred to go with that. So it's actually Farhad who's done the rap.
The director will do it for you. Let's go.